probably his humility and you know how he stayed grounded throughout the years. He's had very...
Yes, I want to ask you that the meaning of fashion changes every time.
Right, sir.
What fashion means to you?
Fashion to me means being comfortable with my own self, in my own skin, in my own body. Expressing myself the way I feel is right, for me at least. So yeah, it's all about being comfortable in your own skin. That's my fashion statement.
Thank you.
Tiger,
Anji.
what is special for you to be associated with this brand?
Well, like I said, sir, change is constant. Like Mr. Rahul sir said, change is constant. I found that very appealing to me when they came to me and they said they want to do something that's very new and they want to relaunch their brand. And since I'm launching myself in the industry as well, I thought it would be a nice journey for me to embark on with them. So yeah.
Let's know about the forthcoming films of yours.
Sure. I'm doing a film called Baghi with Mr. Nadyadwala, and also with a superhero film titled Terminator, or The Flying Jet, or The Flying Sikh, with Balaji. So yeah.
All the best.
टाइगर,
Thank you.
हेलो 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 टाइगर, बॉलीवुड में आप फैशन आइकन अपना किसे मानते हैं और हॉलीवुड में, दोनों में?
जी, बॉलीवुड में शायद मेरे पिताजी. हॉलीवुड में I'm a big fan of Al Pacino. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Why? I think it's still too early to reveal anything. That's why I think Sajid sir is being a little strict with the look. So yeah.
टाइगर, रिपोर्ट से आप कुंग-फू योगा कर रहे हैं जैकी चैन के साथ?
सर बातचीत हो रही फिलहाल, हालांकि I haven't signed it yet. बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि एक ऐसी कुछ ऑफर मिली मुझे so early on in my career, and Jackie Chan has been my inspiration growing up. तो एक ड्रीम कम ट्रू होगा अगर होगा तो, पर right now we're just in talks, sir. But yes, thank you.
टाइगर, अगर तीनों खान में से आपको मौका दिया जाए तो आप किसके साथ काम करना चाहेंगे? शाहरुख, सलमान या आमिर?
जी, तीनों में से कोई नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे कौन देगा फिर? Sorry? Yes, yes. Well, Kriti was basically brought on to this project. It's a romantic song, and to bring in the romantic angle, we had brought Kriti on board. And it's a song for the season, for the rains, and yeah, love is in the air this monsoon. And it's titled Chal Wahan Jaate Hain.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Shroff.
Hi,
Mr.
sir.
Junior Shroff.
Hello.
Your dad's liked, and of course, everybody loves him.
Yes.
He's got a lot of good points, and when he came through, and still now, he's adored for it.
Oh, yeah.
What would you like to take on from him? Instead, people copying from other people, from your own dad, would you like to take on something which you admire the most?
From my father?
Yes.
No, that's very difficult. I want everything. I mean, he's...
That's it. That's why I asked the question. What is the most...
That's very difficult for me to answer.
Yes. Okay.
But if there's one thing I really admire, it's probably his humility. And you know how he stayed grounded throughout the years. He's had very humble backgrounds. And I really respect him for, you know, the journey he's been through, for raising me and my sister, for, you know, giving us a very nice childhood. So I believe, you know, that's why I'm working so hard, and I hope to make him proud someday, and I want to take care of him now.
Thank you. I expected that from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
टाइगर, जब भी आप किसी ब्रांड के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है एज अ एक्टर, क्योंकि आप एक आइकन है इस देश के?
जी, एक आफ्टर लॉन्चिंग एक्चुअली इन माय फिल्म, अभी एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है मुझ पे, एक उम्मीद है मुझ पे, एक जिम्मेदारी है. आई थिंक स्पेशली नाउ दैट आई हैव, यू नो, लॉन्च्ड माई सेल्फ, well, I'm part of, you know, just this journey with Planet Fashion right now. I think it's very important to behave a certain way, to act a certain way. Khaskar kyunki a lot of people are, you know, looking up to you. Well, I hope, I'm not bragging or anything, but if they are, then I'd like to set the right example, you know, and just basically express myself honestly, bas aur kuch nahi, and hopefully, you know, guide them in the right direction. Thank you.